Energy Minister Darrell Vaz is again defending the government's decision to provide a loan to the Jamaica Public Service Company amounting in billions to complete its restoration work. The issue was raised at Wednesday's post-cabinet press briefing. Shamila Pullen has the details.
The government last Friday approved a $150 million or 24 billion Jamaican dollar loan to the Jamaica Public Service Company, JPS. This will go towards funding for the employment of additional overseas linesmen and to bring in critical equipment for power restoration in areas worst affected by Hurricane Melissa. The opposition raised questions about the financing arrangement in Parliament on Tuesday, specifically on how the JPS will secure the remaining over $100 million required to complete the restoration. Energy Minister Darrell Vaz addressed the issue at Wednesday's post-cabinet media briefing.
The original estimate was $480 to $600 million. It has been revised down to $350 to $400 million. The $150 billion that we are lending them was not picked out of a hat. They told us they needed $75 million a month for 2 months to bring us full restoration. So yesterday in Parliament again, the noise and the mischief about the fact that the $150 million is not enough, and where is the other 200 or 250 million coming from? That's not a discussion that we have had with the JPS.
Mr. Vaz also stated that no proposal for extra funding outside the approved US $150 million has been submitted.
The JPS is owned majority privately, so the government has no obligation to fund a private entity. We did so in this case because of the benefits, and therefore we have nothing in front of us either to qualify at this stage the amount or the final assessment of the amount of money that Melissa has caused damage to JPS. We don't have it from the JPS, and I don't have it from the OUR. So I can't speak to any other figure other than what is out there.
He says the JPS would receive $50 million from the Emergency Disaster Fund, which is a separate disbursement the company is entitled to in a disaster from the OUR. That aside, he insists there's a clear rationale and benefits of the loan for residents in the affected parishes, which is why he is questioning the opposition's concerns